My very own ABCs. A is for ant. B is for beaver. Jump, jump, jump. C is for caterpillar. D is for donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. And what's this for? Oh, an elephant? What's an elephant say? Remember? Oh. F is for frog. What's frog say? Ribbit, ribbit. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for inchworm. What's J for? Jaguar. K is for kangaroo. What's kangaroo do? L is for lamb. What's the lamb say? Ba.
Ba. Ba.
Ba ba, that's right. Good.
No.
M is for monkey. What's a monkey say?
E. O.
What's a monkey say?
E. O.
O, A, O, ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah. And what does a nightingale say? La, la, la. Can you sing it for me? Okay, we'll keep moving. We'll keep moving. O is for otter. P is for peacock. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. What?
No.
Cock-a-doodle-doo?
Yeah.
S is for squirrel. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella bird. V is for vole. W is for warthog. And X-ray fish. What's a fish say?
No.
What?
No.
Blah.
No.
Blah, 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 blah.
No.
Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Wait, I forget. What's an elephant say? And what's a horsey say? What's a horsey say? No. Ouch! Ouch! What's a bee say? Ouch! Ouch! All right.
Okay. How do you say what's your name?
Oh, what's
your name?
Can you say your name for us? Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Say
bye.
bye. One more time. Say bye.
Bye.
Good girl.
Good girl. I love you. Daddy loves you. Flying kiss.
Oh.
Oh.
You got me.
Can I see beautiful eyes? Oh. Okay.
Can you show Mom your beautiful eyes?
Oh, I'm so grumpy.
Oh, you mad? How
Okay.
mad are you
Oops.
right now?
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.